What's going on, guys? Today we're here at Decker Lake in Austin. We're gonna be going for some carp. We've been here before and we didn't really catch much, but supposedly catch some huge carp out here, buffalo carp. So we're gonna go for that, and maybe we'll get some common carp also. We're gonna make the bait up right now. We'll show you all how we do that, and then we'll see what happens. We'll catch you on in a little while. All right, guys, we just made the bait. As y'all saw, we used regular breadcrumbs, one whole can of these, two small packets of Jello, and then one can of corn. That's what makes the carp bait. Mix it up all together, and then I'm using these cages from Amazon. The bait sticks are on here, sort of like an inline thing, and you just have your rig on the bottom, and all your bait sticks are on here. So we're gonna try these out for the first time, see how they work. All right, guys, so this is what the rig kind of looks like. We ball that bait up around that cage. I put a weight on there to give me some more weight to cast. Stick the hook in that bait with some corn on it, and then with the hair rig, you put some more corn on that hair rig with a stopper on the bottom of it, and that's pretty much it. Anywhere there's carp, you can catch them on this rig for sure. All right, now we wait. There he is. Yeah, he's coming to my side. He don't feel so big though. Well, they don't feel very big though. Over? Go over? You sure?
You're good.
Might be about the same size. First buff. Fat boy. It's a thick ass boy. You want the net?
Yeah.
Oh, sh!
Hey, that bait ball's still on there.
He jumped, dude. That was crazy. I can go. Yeah.
Oh, big net. There he is right there.
It's a fat little. Oh, that one feels nicer. I said that one feels nicer. Yeah, that one feels way nicer. Hey, he's on top of the water. Pretty nice one. Yeah, see him? He's real white. Damn, he's coming this way. I don't want him to cross over that way. Really? Not as big as I thought, but still pretty good. Damn, we went for a last run. Damn.
Yeah, that's a fat one, dude.
Got one? Hell yeah. Number 2. Oh shit. They're tanks, dude. They are tanks. Drag was screaming when I got here. That's not bad. Well, I don't mind jump. Is it? I can't even tell anymore. Oh, this one's lively. It's gonna swim off fast. I'm going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Come on, dude. Get out of here. There he goes.